And I could tell that he wanted me to say something to break the tension, something to make the last 30 years that he had been gone in my life the same. I didn't know what to say.
Who does that?
So I looked at him and I went,
people,
someday you the bug, someday you the windshield.
Nurse eats apples with peanut butter.
Because what the fuck I'm supposed to say?
Apparently that's
You know my father. I've been thinking for Eddie Arnold is my father, you understand? And I gotta go, because he's about to cut this grass. We're gonna rotate these tires, and then my mama gonna make us some meat.
What's your wife?
Seriously, like when you do back, lift or whatever, sometimes you see them address they put that as a, alright, that's a snack.
Because marriage is the hardest thing I've ever had to do in my life. You understand? Anybody who married up, that shit is not for the weak. It is the hardest thing I've ever had to do in my life, and I've been on cocaine. You understand?
I know about it. I mean, never even know about it.
But I know how to pace myself with her, boy. I swear to God, I do. They don't listen. You know, women, I love y'all. Don't fucking listen. I've never seen a group of people that don't listen to shit. I took my wife on vacation, took her to Cuba, right? The night before, she tears her foot playing volleyball. Now, I'm trying to be positive. I'm like, baby, we're going to have a good time. Don't matter. Let's get on this ship. We deserve. In my mind, I'm thinking this bitch fucking up my vacation. Because now I got to help her around and carry her shit. She can't walk. So I decided I'm going to get one of the knee wheelie things for her so she can get around the ship, right? She don't, I don't want that. I can push it. I said, Julie, the ship is big. You're going to get tired. Why don't you listen? I know what I'm doing. I know she don't know, so I got the knee wheelie thing anyway. Had her waiting in the room when she got there. We get in the room, she sees it. I told you I don't need this. I said, you gon' need it. That ship is big. You're going to get tired. I'm fine. So we go for a walk. When I say I walk the shit out of her.
White people don't need that. It's too much info.
Doing her best to prove she. I saw her getting weak around an hour 15. She finally broke down. I take the knee wheelie down. Now we go from one extreme to another. Now she's zipping around the fucking boat. I said, Julie, slow down. You need to keep up. I said, this shit ain't gonna be good. They had a wine tasting one night. She's about 3 glasses in. She don't drink but one and she done. I said, Julie, get the crutches. You understand? You don't need to be wheeling around in here while you've been drinking. I know what I'm doing. You ever seen where carpet and wood meet? It was in those 6 inches that it all went bad for her. And I saw the shit coming. I said, Julie, slow down. You come. Yeah, and on that third she, everything was in slow motion. She went, no. She looked at me going, David, no. I looked back, I said, bitch, slow down. She hit the ground. You ever see a turtle on his back? Yeah. Oh, God. David. The whole ship looking at her. Then they looking at me to see what I'm going to do. I did what any husband would do and his wife in an embarrassing situation like this. I pulled out my phone, took a picture for Instagram. Bam. Hashtag bitch slow down. I told you.
Take a selfie.
They don't listen to shit. When we got on the cruise, we got to Cuba, they said, leave your jewelry on the boat. I don't know why. I don't care why. You tell a man something cool, whatever. I want to bring my Apple Watch. What? I need to count my steps. I said, your foot is tore off. I can count your steps for you. Every step you take, half step. That's all you get. Well, at least let me wear my wedding ring. I need people to know that I belong to someone. I said, I'm standing right next to you. Then she gets mad. I don't like the tone you're talking to me in. I said, what tone you think the nigga who steal your shit gonna use? What tone you think that gonna be? Fucking listen. I never